Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to restore deleted photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on Menu and click on Recycle bin. If you want to restore deleted photos and videos, so you will see deleted photos and video is here. If you want to restore, click on select and you will see select photos and videos from here. After select photos and videos, click on restore and you will see your pictures and video is restored. After restore picture and videos, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore deleted photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.